Hi there, nail friends! Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do another manicure, and this time I'll be using these colors from Recent Legacy. So here are the three colors that I'll be using for today's mani, but there are total of 5 colors for the recent release. So here are the 5 colors, and look how pretty these colors are, especially those glitters. I really love it. So if you want to purchase these colors, I'll be putting all the details in the description box below, and you can buy this as a set or you can also buy it individually. So it comes with 2 sizes. You can purchase the 0.5 ounce or the 1 ounce jar. So without further ado, let's begin. So I'll be starting with these 2 colors first, and we'll be doing ombre, and I am so excited to try this Revel Nail Ombre brush. I got this as a freebie when I purchased their United We Stand collection, and I am so excited to try it. So I am going to use this Recent Legacy base coat, and let's start the ombre. So I'll be doing an ombre on both of my ring and pointer finger, and I'll be using Creole Queen and Southern Belle. So I am going to do a slanted ombre. So I'll start first with my pointer finger and let you guys watch. So this is after I did the ombre. I'm just going to do the same process for my ring finger, and this is after I did that. So now let's move on to the glitter. So the name of this glitter is called LOTTA LAGNIAPPE. I'm not sure if I said that correctly, but it is this nice peachy coral glitter. It's a combination of small and chunky glitter. So I'll be applying that on my middle finger, my ring finger, and thumb. So this is after I applied the glitters. I really love how this turned out. So I decided to add some accent. So I'll be applying some chunky and small glitters in the middle of the ombre part. So I'll be doing the same design for my ring finger, and this is after I did that. So now I'm going to clear encapsulate the colors, and we'll be using this Resin Legacy Pure Diamond. So this is their clear dip powder, and I'm going to apply that off cam, and this is after I did that. So now it's time to activate. And then I'll just let this dry and do all my filing and shaping off cam, and this is after I did that. So now I'm going to apply this Mani Boss 2-in-1 base and gel top coat. So I'll be applying this to all of my nails and then cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Alright, so my nails are now fully cured. I am just going to apply Scales of a Mermaid Cuticle Oil. This one is called Freshen Up. So I'm going to apply a generous amount of this oil to my skin to bring back the lost moisture. And yeah, if you want to try Scales of a Mermaid, I have a discount code and I'll be putting it as well in the description box below. And I am finally done, and here is the finished look. Look how pretty these colors are, especially that glitter. I am really loving it. So again, if you want to purchase these colors from Reason Legacy, I'll be putting the link in the description box, so don't forget to check them out. So thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you again next time. Bye!